Ladies and gentlemen, Gaten McKenzie just signed Liam Jacobs to the PA. Overnight. It was at 12 o'clock. He went live and I can't believe my eyes.
Ja, we moeten met gearnis, man. Ik wil met gearnis. Had die... Ja, hoe zo was om bizar? Hoe net zo, moet niet bij zijn om bizar. Niet bij zijn, die werd laat.
You can see the excitement on his face. There's something there.
Die wordt zo vreemd. Ja, dat is fijn. Ja, man, nou voel ik zoals een mens, man. Patriots, kom op. Is the midnight train to Georgia. Patriots, I'm busy iets op je hart, man. Kom op. Patriots, this is not a long life. You're gonna hear. I'm not gonna talk. Paulina Wiener Abrams sê ons is hier. Ons is hier. Michelle van Belling. Good morning. Oh ja, is nogal morning. Ek gaan amper sê wat 'n morning. Kennis Mac. Goeiemiddag press in die entire PA family.
Mind you, this is 12 o'clock last night. 12 o'clock. I'm sleeping at it.
Shereen Anderson. Good morning press and Patriots. Rosalind Sols, wat leven is tussen? Cynthia Verlander, Sedekia van Nieuwenhuizen, Leon Bartman, Ivy Witboy, morgen in die oggend, Carmen Alexander. It's morning in the morning. 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 Jy gaat nie lang praat, ek het net gou wat lag jou bizar. Ja, al die opkaarte speel. Al die opkaarte speel met die Patriots van bizar. Ek is 'n man van transparency, massaka. Kom op, Patriots, kom op. Kom op. Ik sta je phone, is je live van bizar. Ja, ik zal die comment zien. Michelle, Felix, weet je wat, dat brengt mij, dan is hij dan, wat voor de iPhone?
Ja, die oude iPhone.
Oh, dat ook niet, ons kennen we. Dat kan je niet helpen.
Kijk, zo'n bril brengt je Samsung weer.
Ja, ik is C-type, ja. Ik kan je niet helpen. Hij is nog een bejaarde van.
Nee, ik heb nog mee. Die hebben wat rest van mij geprobeerd.
Die. Zij heeft nog, wat doen we dit? Andere man van weg gevoerd bij andere mensen, andere ones, bizar. So they were excited to see me, né? So it's like, groot man, what excited om me te zien, man. So I go like, so I see the one says, let's take a picture. The other one says, no, don't take a picture. So I'm feeling a bit like, why would you not want to take a picture with me? You say you like me, I want to take pictures with you guys. And he says, no man, die man weet hoe ek sy phone, hoe kan hy met jou, sy's aan 'n leier van 'n party met hy phone, ek sê, wat is verkeerd met sy phone? He's like, nee man, press man, die man dat hy sê ons phone is frietse daai. Ja, ek sal net vergeet, ek bars uit waar hy lag. Hy sê, hy is 'n frietse daai. Ja. Patriots, julle daar, julle weet, ek begin nie Patriots, ek begin nie, die is 'n baie kort live, julle gaan nou sien. Patriots. Is julle wakker, Patriots?
As julle wakker.
Ja, julle mekaar wakker, Patriots. Is julle wakker, patriotte? Ek wil vir julle dankie eers sê voor ek vergeet, that issue of, what's that boy's name? Oh, Liam. Well, Liam, that issue of that guy, Liam, that you listened to me earlier, before we talk about what we want to speak about, thank you for listening. That we mustn't attack him. He will open his eyes one day, Patriots. But thank you for not attacking him, and thank you for listening to me, and that meant a lot. Because ons is liefdevolle mense in die PA. Ons is liefdevolle mense.
Nou, waar is die liefde vir my?
Liefde vir jou?
Prins, kom maar nou, hier voor die hele mense nou vir my nou.
Met jou huisens. Hoe kan jy huisens volkoop? Dat is een freestyle. Ja, kom sê die mense, Jan, hallo, omdat ek maar lang die huisens kyk, ja. Kom sê hallo vir die mense, sê die.
These guys are cooking this time of the night.
Awe, hoe lyk hulle mense, meneer Baizane, in English, don't be sad.
Don't be sir.
Ek ken al regtig hoekom ons vampires hier so opsit. En 'n groot huis en dit is koud, so ek kry baie koud. En as die plek mos so groot is, jy voel wind van everywhere. Kyk, pres trek uit. As die koud hier. Hoor, die huis is so groot, hè. As jy praat, ek hoor, wat noem hulle dan, die echo. Hy is so groot as jy is.
Ik kreeg dat warm op bizar.
Pres was gewoon met die huis.
Als de mensen die naar mensen hier zitten, praten die straks zo goed is, hè.
Ik krijg koud, het is koud hier zo. Ik voel een wind van everywhere. Als we een wind van die tafel.
Op bizar kom je zo, je zegt, het is hitter. Ik zeg, ik kon het daar, ik kon het daar.
Ah, nee. Die Patriots, jullie is wakker, 12 o'clock. Als die roofkikker is ook, koekele.
Ja, dat is hier heel bizar, man. Kijk, die Patriots, hè. Jullie weten, ik begin niet voor dat ze bij 1000 dus eerste niet. Zo ja, ik zie die mensen wakker, jongen. Patriots, let me just give you the big thing quickly. Number one, I want to tell you first, in this party we are family. The Chinese have a saying where they say when you dig a grave for a man, dig two. And I want to speak to you about something. Yeah, now it's right, I'm there. Bisa, ini aku
Geef mijn phone terug.
Wie? Is te zwaar, hè? Kijk hier.
Ik heb nog mijn phone, hè? Mijn rechter hier.
Ja, kijk hier, die wat noem je dat? The life is not going to be long, people need to sleep, so let me...
water.
Please get me, just the fridge is that you go around there.
Als hij hype doet.
No, man, thank you. Just go get me water, man. So, Patriots, we are family, never forget that. But what I want to speak to you about is that the reason why I said you must come up 12 o'clock, because I've got something to show you, which I didn't want roof kickers. I checked now, there's no roof kickers here so far. The ESG and send me a message on my other phone now that they also check. They don't see the roof kickers because this is crucially important. I'm sorry. Zo'n bizar. Je hebt een bizar over dwal. The water is just here, Patriots, give me 30 seconds, né? 30 seconds. I just want to get water because this is important what I'm going to tell you now. 30 seconds, I promise. Just 30 seconds, I'm just going to grab water. And check where's some pizza. Pizza probably got lost. And then I'm just going to grab water. Because what I tell you now, I'm too thirsty. I can't just say it. It is the biggest thing. I'm going to say it and I'm going to sleep. You have to know this. Let me just get water quickly. Come up, Patriots! Come up! Cuckoo!
Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op.
What a shock. He's already in the PA gear. Ja.
As die mense nog wakker raso. As die mense nog wakker raso. Skrik alles het wakker. Skrik alles het wakker. Ons is tussen soos 'n nissen. Ons is binne buite. We not gonna see you later. Ons is hier pres, ek dink die mense is geskok soos wat hulle hier sit.
Guys, this is a shock. A shock. The way they set up this live is ridiculous. Press puts down the phone, Liam picks it up. Oh my word. This is a shocker. Politically, this is the biggest move I've seen in modern era. I remember something similar to this happened a couple of months ago where Floyd Shivambu left the EFF and joined the MK party. But this.
Die mense is geskok, hulle sê nog. Die mense is geskok soos wat hulle. Ek is by die huis. Welcome home, homie. Ek is by die huis. We only have us. Ons is hier. Ek is by die huis. Hoe sê hulle? We only have us. Hoe sê hulle? Ek is mos 'n laaitie. Ons mos gesê ek is 'n laaitie. You a child. Nou sê ek daarom by my pa.
Man. This has the potential to shift things in South Africa. To shift things in South Africa in the political space. Liam is amazing in Parliament. Ashley Souls is amazing in Parliament. And they've been running the show for the last couple of months this year. And for them to join hands together. I don't think we are ready, guys.
You bastard! Hey, buddy!
Ja.
Wat gaat om jou? Staan! Wat is familie? Hulle stuur net over ons platte bak. Die is hier verraaierie. Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut! Ons wyse die.
Hey. Yeah, Gaten. Gaten, people are playing checkers. Gaten is playing chess. Gaten is playing chess, bro. I didn't see this coming. I mean, obviously you dream of something like this, but Liam was so deep in the DA, you couldn't see this. You couldn't see this coming. This is a blind side. This is in a transfer window in soccer. For instance, Lamine Yamal leaving Barcelona to go to Real Madrid overnight. Shocker. Why? Because Lamine Yamal is 17 years old. He's a wonder kid. He's something we've never seen before. And Barcelona's lucky to. Same with Liam. Liam is 24 years old, studied, educated, eloquent, does his research, and for him to move from the D to the PA. Ridiculous.
Wat bijzaken! Charlie bijzaken komt eruit. Haas ons nooit een asblik vir 'n Patriot. Haas ons nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot nie. Charles kom sê ook hallo. Ons sê hallo hier. Ons is hier, ons is by die huis en Patriots, as 'n ding wat ek wil sê. Is baie maklik om hierdie ding te kyk en allerlei dinge te dink wat nie die waarheid is nie. En vanaand wil ek eintlik die waarheid vertel. En ek dink ek moet iets regstel. Ashley, you'll remember in the committee, I almost said Prezi is leading a dictatorial party. Yes. A one-man show and all of that. Ek het mos so gesê. Yes. But he said something in the committee. Hy het iets gesê.
Wat my binne my siel geslaan het. Ek het nie 'n comeback vir die ding gehad nie. Niks van 'n comeback.
Nee, maar ek wil het neem, het jy geleek.
Ja.
I had your 6 laugh geslaan that night. I don't wanna lie. That was your dust. But it was because he stopped it before it even started. Gaten saw Liam is about to set him up, and Gaten kind of played it out nicely. But for them to be able to have this conversation now peacefully and laugh about it, beautiful.
Het jy geleek?
Kyk hier, ek het 7 minute gehad. 7 out of 25. Ek het 7 out of 25 gehad. Maar daai ander 18.
Het jy geleek?
Man sê, wat sê die ek? Ek sê, help my. Maar hy het 'n ding gesê, man. Hy het gesê, you call me a dictator. Jy sê ek is 'n dictator. When your party don't have one colored person as a minister or deputy minister, despite colored people making up the overwhelming majority of the party's vote.
Ja.
Now, when he said that thing, toe hy daai ding gesê het, ek het gesit. As 'n moment wat ek eintlik my hele asem ingesluk het. Like ek's honger van die asem. En toe dit gebeur, toe sê ek nee. Oom Biza, is tyd vir my om aan die huis neer te klap. Is tyd vir my om huis toe te kom.
Ja.
Is tyd vir my om uiteindelik te sê, ek Biza nie. En Patriots, ek wil net baie dankie sê, dat julle almal my met liefde aanvaar. Ek is baie, baie dankbaar, want dis die way 'n Patriot moet wees. Dis hoe ons is. En ek kan hy liefde voel. Ek het die liefde van Oom Biza gevoel.
Ja.
Die liefde van Pres gevoel. Because if there's one person on this earth who had every single right to make sure that I'm not sitting where I'm sitting, it's Pres. I attacked him relentlessly for 3 years. Hom aangeval, 3 jaar.
Sure.
Now, what made you come? What made you come over? You know? Especially because, I mean, somebody's going to say, you then called that party a dictatorial party. What is it that made you during this time think, yes?
You know, you expect your own to defend you. En ek sit daar en ek is hamers in die parlement, ek doen my gedoentes. And I get told, tone it down. Sit stil. Dis jou boksie? Moenie groter as jou boksie wees.
Yeah. You would now think that a person like Liam being able to, in the last, and I'm not even joking, in the last 2 months, this guy has generated millions of views because people finally caught on to how he does things, who he is in parliament, and so forth and so forth. And he grows his TikTok and Facebook and so forth. And for a party to tell someone like that, like, fit into a box, fit into what we're trying to do, which is not a problem. But I mean, if you want to reach the masses, if you want to reach Gen Z and later on Gen Alpha, and if you want to reach people, it's through social media. It's through somebody being as ambitious and zealous about what they believe in. Sure.
I get told that. After Tuesday, the very same people that you expect to defend you is the people that will put a knife in your back and stab you from the front also. Just to say he did it himself. That is why I'm sitting here today. Because I was accepted. Was aanvaar. Met hart en ziel.
The guy who had all the reason.
Every single reason in the world. That man, I almost told you, ek het hom aangeval behoorlik 3 jaar. 3 jaar. 2022 to 2025. As net ek maak geraas. Kyk, dit, ken jy dat. Maar ek is gestuur Hy sê, jy moet het so maak. Jy moet hom slaan. Jy moet hom slaan. Nobody else.
Sure. This is crazy, guys. Because this guy is basically saying for the last 3 years, he was sent on a mission to break down Gator McKenzie, the party, and so forth. And he's a colored guy breaking down another colored guy. And for him to now be able to speak about this, wow.
Ek moet hom slaan. Ek, a young colored person, ek moet nou vir nog 'n colored mens sê, nee, ek gaan hom kry. En Patriots verkeerd is verkeerd. You can't make a wrong right and you can't make a right wrong when you look at something that is blatantly wrong like that. Because we do believe most in second chances aside.
Yeah, and especially him.
Especially him. Especially
You
him.
got a second chance. And that's
Especially
really
him.
his heart. It's like a genuine thing. His heart. You can do whatever. This is one thing about our president. He's authentic. He's genuine. What you get with him, you get.
And that's
You've
what I tell
experienced that, right?
Yeah.
And the thing about second chances, there's nothing that you can do in this party that will make us hate. Not just you, any patriot. And that's him. It's like he said, he always says if he got a second chance, who is he not to give
Sure.
another second chance?
And
How did you feel when you, as you say, your own party didn't? You told me about an experience that you had with the chief whip of the party.
it's him. He got me in a it was at the CTICC.
Yeah.
And I'm walking to the sitting, and he catches me walking, and he says, tone it down. All of the respect that you were getting, you can't verloor, it can backfire. And when because we had arranged the meeting, ons het 'n meeting gearrange vir donderdag. Ek sê vir hom, Chief, ons gaan op donderdag praat. Donderdag, so ons 'n meeting op donderdag. Wat sê hy? Ons gaan nie donderdag praat nie. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? Ek, sy kollega, die mens wat hy moet defend. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? En ek sê donderdag, en hy loop en hy sê, is klaar wat het soos. Ons gaat die donderdag nie. Maak ek my phone oop, en I see, your meeting is cancelled for Thursday. A fair chance, an opportunity to explain my side.
Something that they told you to do.
Yes, something they said, I want to speak to you, arrange. Then they say, on the Thursday, or on the Wednesday, for the Thursday, no, it's cancelled. Of a 2-minute interaction.
And the point is, you have to now shut up. You have to now not get opportunity anymore for something that you did that they told you to do.
Guys, you need to understand from this perspective is probably they said people are catching on to the fact that he's maybe being disrespectful. So the chief whip kind of probably took that perspective. And obviously that's a knock on your confidence. If you are Liam and you are doing everything you can to fight corruption and bring your party's name to another level and so forth, and somebody that's a chief whip tells you to tone it down a bit, you take a knock to your confidence. It brings self-doubt, and a person cannot lead or go to war with self-doubt. You have to be sure of yourself. You need to be sure that the party supports you, and in this instance he didn't feel like it.
Exactly.
But then you wake up now and you see in the media, newspapers are saying Gaten that you'll be back and ally. How did you feel when you saw, instead of him coming and doing the same, instead he tells patriots and others, don't do what the rest is doing to Liam? How did that make you feel?
As a liar, I is a liar. When I saw that, I saw what a leader is supposed to be.
Yeah.
I saw compassion. I saw somebody who lead from a place of love, who lead with people in his heart, with people in his mind. That's die mense. En ja, die liefde wat ek gekry het.
Yeah.
Die ware liefde. Mens kan ons voel as die liefde nie waar is nie. As dit van Kong is, as dit soos 'n Soos hy baksteen film wat jy.
Sek. Sek. En dit is warm nou, voel die liefde. Het is zo koud as het hier is.
Is warm, kyk hoe tabby sweet hierso.
You know,
Dit is
something-
ook kraan.
Now, guys, on a serious level, this is historic. Ashley Souls, Liam Jacobs, Gaten McKenzie in the parliament together. This is about to be, listen, we've never seen this before. We have never seen this before. This is historic. This is telling the colored child, listen, my brother, this is possible. You can be in high levels of position. You can be a decision maker in this country. You are enough. You belong. This is amazing. I think Gaten did an amazing job at getting Liam in. An amazing job. Obviously, DA is going to be affected by this. PA is going to be affected by this. But man, oh man. It's about to be crazy. Sure.
There's something else you told me. When
Die mense sê, dubbelganger.
Come tell him what is a double
Wat 'n
ganger.
dubbelganger?
Come tell him what is a double ganger. Is it
As die nie dubbelganger.
wat is hy?
As iemand as so sê, is 'n clown. Is 'n clown.
Oh, so letterlijk is dat het gemaakt
As
werd.
so jou fout, hè?
Ja.
Hè? En Sporre se fout, is altyd hy sits.
Albei bakstene. Maar die een is vervelings en die ander
Kijk
is
hier.
wallet.
Ik ken aan een nieuwe phone met pressen mee gekomen. Ik zei nog eens zijn phone. Kijk hier. Tell me that thing, né? When you are asking why doesn't Khaled get promoted in the team?
Yes.
Dit is honger.
Hey joh. Word ek sommige
Jy wil gebruik met kos.
Ja nee.
Hoe sê dat? Stomach politics.
Ja, kyk jy.
Stomach
Wat op die
politics.
pryse, weet jy oor die bord nie.
As haar stomach politics.
Hier is ons betaal hè. Wat jy gebruik met kos. Hulle is hier nie honger maar hè.
Baie honger.
Yes.
This is so nice to see the joy these guys have. And they literally just changed politics forever. Congratulations, Liam. Congratulations, Gaten. Congratulations, Ombiza. You're the PA. Listen, next elections is about to be ridiculous. I think the PA was 5th or 6th in the last elections. They got 9 seats. I can tell you right now. They're about to move up at least to the 4th or the 3rd position in the next elections. If they do it right, the PA is starting a revolution. My name is Isaiah and cheers for ears.